The National Testing Agency, commonly known as NTA, has opened the NEET 2022 correction window on May 24. Registered candidates can edit and rectify their details filled in the NEET 2022 application form till May 27. To help the candidates with the stepwise process, Careers 360 has brought this video on NEET 2022 correction window. To edit details in NEET application form, visit the official website of NTA NEET or click on the link in the description. Then, click on the candidate login and enter your login credentials created at the time of registration process. After logging in, click on the link of NEET UG 2022 correction window. The application form will appear on the screen. It is to be noted that candidates can only edit a few fields in the form. Details that can be edited in the NEET application form are personal details, date of birth, category, state of eligibility, person with disability, minority category, identification type, and identification ID type. Aspirants can also edit the place of birth, choice of medium of question paper, choice of examination center as well academic details through NEET Correction Window 2022. It must be noted that only non-Aadhaar verified candidates are now allowed to make any changes in the three fields, namely candidate's name, date of birth, and gender. Furthermore, if any aspirant make changes in the father's name or mother's name, he or she will not be allowed to change photographs and signatures or vice versa. Before submitting, verify the edited details and enter the security PIN. Then, click on Save. Enter the OTP sent to the registered mobile number and provide the security PIN again. Click on the Final Submission button. The correction slip will appear on the screen displaying the changes made in the application form. Take the printout of the correction slip for future reference.